Okay, so I ordered 3 pairs of shoes from wantedshoes.com.au, and they came, but they didn't tell me it came. This is a late unboxing. Okay. Let's see how they're looking. Just 3 pairs of shoes. Sounds like a lot. Hey, Mollini. I thought it was gonna be a Wanted Shoes brand, but it's Mollini. Could have bought it straight from Mollini. Just wanted to say thank you for your purchase. I hope I love the shoes too. Okay, so these are supposed to be summer sandals, black. It goes with everything because it goes with my hair. Oh, how am I going? So what's good? Okay, so there's a braid at the front. It's a low wedge heel and Velcro for your lazy summer days. I'm trying to figure out if I've seen these before, although I haven't been to Mollini for a long time. Okay, so these are a good summer shoe. You can walk on the grass and be lazy. So I'll try this on and see how it is. Should I try it on here? So overall looks okay. It's leather, upper leather lining, synthetic sole. Let's see if it fits. Oh my god, Velcro is awesome. Okay. That's how it looks. Okay, Velcro might be a bit tight. Just this a bit. So my leg needs room to bend. Ankle. Right. Gotta get up. Okay, so I did a test walk and it feels a bit off and it doesn't feel secure around the strap. Either I have to go too tight and then minimal flexibility to move, or loose and then it doesn't feel secure at the back. The look is okay, nothing too exciting. Braid. Oh, it's just a shame. I don't think I can keep them. They just feel off. That's one pair. Alright. Next pair. Blowfish Malibu. Probably I bought this because it was a funny brand. So don't know if these are my style. I like the idea of the shoe. Oh no, it's a bit scraggy. Like I expected it, but it's actually very scraggy. What I could do is cut off the thread to neaten it. But I like how it's an elastic lace and there's a inbuilt shoehorn thing. And I really like the floral pattern. So try this on. See how it feels. See how it feels. I don't know how to put it on. What the? Is it too small? I love slip-on shoes. And I'm lazy to wear sneakers. Okay. Fit here. Bottom. That's cute. It's like a grey, purpley kind of theme. Hey, it feels comfortable to move in. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm pleasantly surprised. It's flexible. I'm not wearing socks, but it like hugs my foot, and then it stretches out because there's elastic lace, so it moves with my foot. My only concern is, would I ever want to wear this with socks? Because I don't think it'll work if I try to wear it with socks. Oh my gosh! I'm shocked! I'm shocked at how comfortable it is. Hot diggity dog! Wow. So, just a matter of reassessing whether I can handle the style. If I cut off the loose threads, it might be okay. Wow. Oh, no wonder it's so comfy. The insole's like squishy. Wow. Insole Malibu. I mean, Blowfish Malibu. Oh wow, so comfy. Oh, look, it says super comfy, super cute. Squeeze me. I'm squeezing you. I'm squeezing you. Wow. Okay, I'll try the other one later. And then last shoe is, top end. Okay, did not anticipate. Top end. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh man, the color is so freaking awesome. Wow. So I think these are inspired by Hermes Oran sandals. You can see the H. But it's metallic, like a fuchsia, magenta, pink. So the top is metallic and then the base is the back. Oh my gosh. Let's try these babies on. I love color. No. Oh no, it's not. It doesn't fit me. Oh my god. What the hell? What the hell? So, I'll show this on video. Okay, so my toes don't go far enough, and then my foot's hanging off. Oh no, it doesn't fit. But it looks so cool. Okay, let me try the other side. No, it's too. I don't like super squeeze my foot. No, doesn't work. I wonder if it's leather. I doubt it. No, it really doesn't work. Gosh, damn it. Okay, so far, these, I really don't think it works. So my toes don't go further, don't peep enough, and my heel is hanging off the back. So this is like too snug, but they look so cool. But yeah, this strap is too slim for me, but this is my typical size. It's a shame. So pretty. Yeah, can't take it off. And then, so this, I think, yeah, I don't feel, the back doesn't feel secure. And like, even though it's a wedge, the heel, the back is quite, it's on the small side. I don't think I can keep these. And then my Blowfish, they're super comfy and super surprised. So I need to reassess this. I like the pattern, I like the flower in it. It's a good just slip-on shoe for a walk, because that's all we can do. Just go, well, we can exercise, but I just go for walks. Really comfy, like I was surprised. So, and how cool is the name, Blowfish? Ciao!